Oh my god! Oh my god, I think I just broke my voice box. I don't even have a voice box, but look! Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, we are doing the first ever modification to the Scirocco. And this might not be a completely big modification. However, this is going to increase the gear shifts by 0.5 seconds. Come on. And it's going to increase my swag even more, because you can't spell Volkswagen without swag. I don't know if you can hear me. Well, what are you doing out there? So then, this is my current view of the car, and pretty much it's pretty nice as it is right now. However, you know what I'm saying? These are the paddle shifters at the moment. Look at them. They're like turtle heading when I need a poo or something. You know what I mean? They're just poking ahead, just teeny bit. They're really nice. They're very clicky. Listen. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I'm gassed, I'm gassed. Okay, okay. Oh yeah. You like that? In this bag right here, it looks like we're carrying around some crack. But no! We are actually installing paddle shifters to my Volkswagen Scirocco today, and I'm gassed. Bro, you know what? I'll open these in a second, but literally, I bought these about a month ago, before, like, when I put the deposit down on the car, and literally, I've been in my room going, I've been buzzing for these. The reason why I've actually chose red, it matches very nicely with the red dials. Obviously in the Golf R you'd have the blue one. And also I've got a few more modifications that I've planned out, including red. I'm promising right now it's not going to look ugly, or at least hopefully it doesn't look ugly. Without further ado, let's get into these and I'll show you guys a little bit up close. But yeah, these are really high quality. I don't know if you guys can hear. Cost me like £23, not much at all. I've not gone with the basic bitch style. I ain't gone the Corsa style. We've gone full out, and we've got the connectors that basically fully replace the paddle shifters on the Volkswagen. So it's not just the sticker ones that look so ugly.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
Because they got the black bit and then they wrap around. These ones will actually fully replace it. So, and it'll give us a little bit more finger room. Without further ado, let me start rambling on. You guys have seen the paddle shifters. First modification. There are bigger modifications to come. However, we're just going to start off with the little ones first. Yeah, let's actually get this installed. So pretty much, I've actually turned the wheel because, I don't know if you guys can see in here. In there, you can see a tiny little pin, or just, you can see a circle thing in there basically. And that, what you do is you turn the wheel like this, and you basically just drag it out with some needle nose pliers. Look, in my bag I've got needle nose pliers. And of course, got some tweezers with a fuck ton of hair on it. That's disgusting. That's not even my hair, it's fucking ginger. So here is actually the last look at the steering wheel with the stock paddles on. Let's try not to break my car, but that is how it looks. It doesn't look bad, it doesn't look sick with the paddle extensions. I think I got it. Oh my god, that was easy. Fucking hell, that was so easy. This should just come off. Hold on. I think it should go like this. Oh. So right now, we've got the paddle off. That is it. This is just really shit plastic. For some reason, it feels really high quality on the wheel. But when you get it off, it feels like something you get Toys R Us. Oh my god, it's fitted. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think I just broke my voice box. I don't even know if you have a voice box, but look. Oh, that sounds like a gun reloading. Listen, listen. Oh, that's dirty. That looks mental. Compared to... that looks sick compared to this. Oh my god, listen to this. Listen, ready? Hold on. Just hold yours. Hold on. Listen to this shit. This is some ASMR bullshit right here. Ready? fucking dirty. That was literally the easiest thing to install as well. That looks so sexy. Right, let's actually do the left side now, because that one looks insane. Listen. I'm done out here. I'm done out here. Right, so just like usual, there is a pin in there. You stick your needle nose pliers in there, and literally it's not tough to get out at all. Boom. So simple. I'm done out here. This is literally, this is the best one ever. Oi, that looks mental and it sounds good. I might cry. Honestly, I might yeet kick these over my neighbour's garden or something. I want to go on a drive right now. I'm absolutely starstruck. Hold on, I need a drink because I'm getting dehydrated at how excited I am. Fam, we need some red Rice Boys lanyards. You see, when we get the steering wheel cover on, we're in Bits UK and we do everything that I want to do to this car. This can look so sexy. This wheel. Oh! So we are now doing a little bit of a POV. I don't know if you guys can see the gear stick, but here's the gear stick and we just whack it over to manual mode. Not gonna obviously thrash it because we just literally started the car, but just literally show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at this. Oh, mate, you didn't even hear the noise. So obviously this is a must. They look incredible, especially with the dials. They match nicely. I'm saying it's going to be a car that stands out, but it still looks good, you know what I'm saying? So let's even just downshift through the tunnel, just to show you guys. Listen, ready? Hold on. And oh, mate, it's gorgeous. And then 6th gear, come on. This is like literally a first modification we have to do. Baby, you having baby Volkswagen Sciroccos tonight, because I'm dicking you. So I've been driving around with these paddles on for about a week now, and honestly, I've been getting so much female attention and driving around. Like, please bitches, all I want to do is go buy some Krispy Kreme for me and my girl to sit in bed and watch The Walking Dead. But for real though, they feel really good, and the only downside to these is because they're metal, it literally feels like Casper the Ghost is touching you in the morning because of how cold they get. But honestly, I think they look absolutely sick, and the way that they stand out against everything, oof, just taste this, innit? Hold on, I'm gonna fart. Right, so that was the paddle installation for the Scirocco. Literally such a simple process. Literally, guys, I'm in love with this car. Like, this is how you know you love a car, when you're tired by the end of filming. I think they look so sick. Let me actually show them. I think they look absolutely insane from the inside, especially with the red dials. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy watching the paddle shift install. Very small mod, but we're going to do some more mods. We have to build this car up to the ultimate standard by doing the little things first. Anyway guys, follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff. Subscribe if you are new. Again, really appreciate the support on the new car. I don't know how I could ever repay you guys, but thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff. I've already said all that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you faces in my next video.